In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share screen on Microsoft Teams 2026. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to your meeting. You can do this in either the desktop app or the web app because the screen sharing steps are the same in both. If you are using the web version, you will be in the Teams meeting page in your browser. If you are using the desktop version, you will be in the meeting window. Either way, make sure you have already joined the meeting so you can see the meeting controls. Once you are in the meeting, look for the Share button on the meeting toolbar. This toolbar is usually along the top or bottom of the meeting window, depending on your layout and screen size. The Share option is the control that starts presenting, so it is the one you will use anytime you want other people in the meeting to see what you are doing on your computer. Click on Share. When you select it, a menu will appear with different sharing choices. This is where you decide exactly what you want to show. You will see options to share your screen, a specific window, or a browser tab. Choose the option that matches what you need for the meeting. Now click on Screen, Window, or Tab. If you pick Screen, everyone will see your entire display, including anything you switch to. This is helpful when you need to move between multiple apps. If you pick Window, you will share only one application window, which is useful when you want to keep everything else private. If you pick Tab, you will share a single browser tab, which is ideal for presenting a website or an online document without showing other tabs or your desktop. After you select the one you want, confirm the selection if prompted, and your content will begin sharing with the meeting. For a smoother presentation, close anything you do not want visible before you start sharing, and keep the shared content centered on your screen so it is easy for others to follow. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.